हेलो एंड वेलकम टू द चैनल। और बायजूस की तरफ से आज हमको एक और पार्सल मिला है और आई एम डैम श्योर दिस इज एसेट पार्सल। ओके, सो वी आर अनबॉक्सिंग दिस एसेट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू ऑल, सो लेट्स डू इट। ओके, आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस, तो मुझे लगा था शायद 2 4 5 दिन के बाद ही आएगा, लेकिन एक दिन 2 दिन पहले आया था। वो हमको ये क्या बोलते हैं इसको, वेलकम किट, और 2 दिन बाद आया है एसेट्स। ओके, आई वाज इन देयर नीड ऑफ द एसेट्स एज वेल, सो लेट्स सी व्हाट्स इनसाइड।
Oh my god. Let's keep it aside. What else is there?
मैं एक एक करके सब निकालता हूँ इसमें से पहले। तो बहुत सारी चीजें इसमें है। तो कोविड की वजह से ये डिले हुआ था शिपमेंट में, so I'm keeping the user manuals and nothing else. Okay, so we are done with the first one. We are keeping it aside. So what is this? This is a USB hub port. Okay, it might contain multiple USBs connected. Okay, लगता तो ऐसा ही है। ऐसा ही होगा। हाँ भाई, बहुत सारी USBs है इसमें एक ही साथ में, क्योंकि बहुत कुछ कनेक्ट करना पड़ता है एक ही टाइम पे। हेडफोन हुआ, कैमरा हुआ लाइक दैट, और बाकी सब चीज़ें। व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ राउटर UPS। ओके, तो ये एक तरह का मानो पावर बैंक है इसके लिए, लाइक इंटरनेट के लिए uninterrupted internet will be there. So it is a UPS and let's keep it as it is. What is this? This is a webcam, 1080 pixels, means HD recorder. Let's have a look. It can be mounted on a laptop. We are done with this as well. इसको भी साइड में करते हैं। ये क्या है भाई? ये है, it is a RPM 500 creative pen tablet. Pen tab. So here it is. Wow, it is ultra smooth. So it has a writing pen with it. Okay, good. And it has a pen holder like this. And okay, good. And it has a pen holder like this. And it has a connector, and it has different size of the nib. Okay, so many nibs are there of different size, and it has a USB connector as well. So it needs installation, it needs drivers to be installed on our system so that it may work very smoothly and effectively. Meanwhile, giving you some information regarding our training. We are about to end. It is we are in the last phase of our training, and we will be assigned the real sessions once we finish our training. Okay, so here comes the last item which you might be waiting for, and it is a Lenovo laptop. Okay, so let me read out the configuration of the laptop. It is Lenovo V14 G2 ITL. This is the model number. So let's unbox it. here it is. This one, this is the user manual, I guess. Yes, it is. And मीडियम साइज है, मीडियम साइज का है. Look at this. This is a medium sized laptop, Lenovo. Okay, so let me power it on if it has some battery, charger battery. Yeah, it does. Okay, so what else is in the box? These were the cushions. Yeah, it has charger. Yes, charger is there, and this is another part of the charger. Okay, so done. This is all what I have received from Byju's as asset. So this all thing will be used for our classes, online classes. Okay, so I am just summing up all the items. This is Lenovo laptop. Okay, this is a headphone, camera, and a USB router. UPS router, UPS. And what else is there? There is a USB hub port. Thank you, Byju's, for sending me such valuable items. And this one is the pen tape which we will be using for our writing on the screens. Okay, so we are done with the asset unboxing, and I'll be back with another video on training modules. I have also promised you in our previous video as well. So till then, keep sharing and keep subscribing and keep showing love to my channel. Bye bye. Thanks.